If you're wondering how to delete an invoice on Xero, stick around because I'm going to walk you through this process step by step, making it super easy even if you're new to the software. Xero is one of the most popular cloud accounting tools, and understanding how to manage invoices, including deleting them, is an essential skill for any user. So, whether you've accidentally created a duplicate invoice or simply need to clean up your records, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete an invoice in Xero. Now, before we dive in, if you haven't started using Xero yet, you can actually try it for free using the exclusive link below. That's right, free access with some extra bonuses just for you, so stick around for that. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and head to the Business tab, then click on Invoices. Here you'll see a list of all your invoices, both paid and unpaid. Now, find the invoice you want to delete and click on it to open it up. Once you've opened the invoice, you'll notice a small Options button at the bottom of the invoice screen. Click on this and you'll see a drop-down with several options, including Delete. Go ahead and select Delete. Xero will then ask you to confirm your decision. This is just a safety measure to make sure you don't accidentally delete important invoices. Once confirmed, the invoice will be completely removed from your records. Keep in mind that deleted invoices can't be recovered unless you manually recreate them, so double check before you confirm. If you've already marked the invoice as paid or part of a recurring transaction, deleting it could affect your records, so make sure that's what you really want to do. It's also worth noting that if you've sent the invoice to your client, deleting it will not notify them or update any records they have, so it's a good idea to reach out to them if necessary. And that's it. Deleting an invoice on Xero is a straightforward process once you know where to look. But here's the thing. Xero can do a lot more than just delete invoices. If you're running a business and managing finances, Xero offers powerful tools for invoicing, accounting, payroll, and more. All designed to save you time and help you keep everything organized. And the best part is you can get started for free today. So, make sure you check out the link in the description below for that exclusive extended trial. Trust me, once you get the hang of Xero, you'll see just how powerful it can be for managing your finances and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that free trial.